Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this look for you guys. I know it's very simple. I know, but this is my everyday routine. I had a lot of questions asking me if I really do my makeup all out every day, and the real question is no. I'm a mom. I'm a house. I'm a wife. So no, I don't. I can't. It's really hard for me, and I know the struggle. I know, so I understand you guys. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look or how I do my everyday routine every day, stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay, so I already went in and did my brows, as you guys already know how I do them. So now I'm just going to take a little bit of concealer and then just highlight my brow just a little bit under my brow. I'm not going to take it way down here because there's no point. So the concealer that I'm using today is this one, the LA Girl, and it's in the shade Porcelain. Okay, so now I'm just going to set the concealer with the RCMA powder. I haven't been setting my concealer, but since today we're just doing like a simple everyday look, it doesn't matter. Okay, and then the palette that we're using today is the Modern Renaissance from Anastasia. Looks like this. It's a little dirty, but you know what? It's okay because it still works. It still does its job. Okay, so the first color that I'm taking is this burnt orange. Well, I guess the only color that I'm taking. That's the only color that I'm going to use. You guys don't have to add this or any kind of eyeshadow. You guys can just stop there after the concealer. But I always like to put some on just so my eyebrow bone can pop a little bit more and it won't look so plain. Okay, usually whenever I do my eyeshadow, I always like to cut the crease, but in this look I'm not going to do it because, you know, it's just plain and simple. So the second color that I'm taking for my lid, it's the Primavera color, this one. It's goldish. And I'm just taking my finger and just putting it on my lid. And then I'm just taking my brush that I used before and I'm just blending everything together. Okay, so now I'm just going to spray my brush. And I'm going to get a little bit of highlighter. And it's in the shade Illuminati. Okay, and then after that, you guys can always add some eyeliner, some pencil eyeliner, liquid eyeliner, whatever, at the top and at the bottom. But if you just want to keep it really simple, you can just always just stop there. And I think that's where I'm going to stop. So now we're going to go on to the face. So I'm going to prime my face, like always, using this one. Oh my god, my nails, they broke. I'm gonna go in with this liquid highlighter. I got it from Boxycharm. Doesn't even say the name. I don't know, but I like to put it all over my face just so I can have that extra glow. Okay, so now that we have that, I'm gonna go in with this Revlon Photo Ready Instafix foundation stick. You guys, this is really good. If you guys don't like that heavy duty foundation, you guys are gonna love this one. It's not high coverage, full coverage I mean. It's like, this is how I usually do my makeup. And I always use this foundation stick because it feels very lightweight. It almost seems like you're not wearing any makeup at all, or any foundation at all. And a lot of you girls really like that. Okay, so I'm just going to take my Real Techniques sponge, spray my face. And I'm just gonna blend it all out. I usually use my Morphe brush to blend out my foundation, but since this one's very lightweight and it's like an everyday kind of foundation, it doesn't matter. Okay, so now I'm just gonna conceal down here, and I'm going in with the porcelain one from the LA Girl Cosmetics. I'm not taking a lot, just a little bit. I just want my dark circles to be covered a little bit. Okay, so we're just gonna set it with the RCMA powder. I'm just gonna bronze my cheeks up a little bit just so I can have that natural warmth. Remember, bronzing is just pretty much around your face. I mean, you're not really actually trying to place it somewhere. Now I'm taking my M510 brush from Morphe, and you guys, this is a really good brush. I really like it. I had lost it for a while, that's why I hadn't used it. Okay, so the highlighter that I'm using to highlight on my face, it's from the Ofra Cosmetics and Rodeo Drive. Keeping it simple, but at the same time you want to have that beautiful glow on your face. Okay, now I'm just gonna highlight my bones up here. You guys can stop wherever you guys want, but I like to highlight my bones. Then my lips. Okay, so we are done with the face. Now I'm just gonna add a little bit of mascara. And you guys can always just stop there. Just, you guys don't have to add no eyelashes, but I always wear them. I always have to have them on. It's like my eyebrows. I always have to have my brows done. So it's totally up to you guys. So whatever you guys want to do, but you guys can always stop here with the mascara. Okay, the eyelashes that I'm using today, they're these. They look like this. As you guys can see, they're really simple. They're really small at the very front, and then they start getting a little bit longer. Oh, you guys can't really see. Anyway, I think I bought these at HEB. If you live in Texas, you guys know what store that is. If not, I'm pretty sure you guys can find them at Walmart. And you guys can always add some eyeliner at the very tip of the eyelash. But I'm not going to go ahead and do that just because they're really thin. I wouldn't even have a problem. Okay, so for my lips, I'm just going to go ahead and go in with the LA Girl lip gloss. Okay guys, we are done. This is the final look, and I'm looking very glossy. Oh my god, I put a lot of highlighter, but you know what, that's how I like it. Like I said, you guys don't have to do it how I'm doing it. I'm just showing you guys how I usually do it every day. So yeah, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel.